Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Thank you so much for spending your time and giving us an opportunity to be here today. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Mohd Faiz bin Ahmad SHABULI with metric number 01DKB1F1022 and my partner ALIYA NAZIRA binti Muhammad ZAHAR with metric number 01DKB18F2012. Dear fellow friend, have you heard about the product from Russell Taylor? Do you know that Russell Taylor has produced a lot of home appliances? Do you know that one of them is stand mixer? Maybe some of you didn't know or even heard about the popular brand Russell Taylor, and this is maybe your first time heard about it. Well, today we are going to talk about the Russell Taylor 1000 watt 5 liter stand mixer cake kitchen blender. Allow me to define our roles. I will talk about identify the product, benefits, the functions, describe physical attributes and the strength of the product. While my partner ALIYA will explain about the weaknesses, solution to weaknesses, price and discount, warranty period, and lastly, product outlet of the product. Russell Taylor 1000 watt 5 liter stand mixer kitchen blender is capable of mixing up to 1 kilogram of flour with its 5 liter stainless steel bowl, and when it's big, it needs more power. Thus, Russell Taylor comes with 1000 watt of powerful motor, making it the best companion. Baking is therapeutic to many, and it gets even better if you have the right appliances. Next, the benefit of Russell Taylor 1000 watt 5 liter stand mixer kitchen blender is its high functioning stand mixer. The mixer smoothly offers remarkable ease and exceptional versatility. Equipped with a powerful motor, this amazing mixer comes in handy as a stand mixer when it's time to make those heavy occasions like garlic mashed potato or chocolate chip cookie dough. It also works well for effectively kneading and truly mixing this dough with the included pair of hooks. Effortlessly prepare dough for homemade pizza, fresh bread, garlic breadstick, and more. Furthermore, it's also perfect baking meal. The Russell Taylor 1000 watt 5 liter stand mixer kitchen blender is the ultimate kitchen appliance for baking lovers. A powerful 1000 watt motor helps you can effortlessly whisk, mix and knead butter or dough with a planetary mixing motions. This stand mixer is stylish with a sleek black design and also benefits for sturdy rubber feet, so whilst it's mixing, the appliance stays firmly on your kitchen top. Otherwise, it is high quality stand mixer. Achieve high quality result for the Russell Taylor Power Stand Mixer as you select the exact speed required for your ingredient. The extra press setting allows for intermittent mixing. Our stand mixer comes with 3 attachments that allows you to do a variety of cooking techniques at a great ease and convenience. The durable dough hook make mixing dough and heavy cake mix easy. The BINTI is perfect for whisking egg whites, creaming ingredients, and for light cake mixture or butters, whilst ensuring nothing sticks to the bowl. Russell Taylor 1000 watt 5 liter stand mixer kitchen blender has its own targeted consumer, which are home bakers, housewives, pastry house, cooking classes, and lastly, baking factory. The stand mixer will help all of these people to save their time for doing something like dessert, pastry, and many more. Subsequently, the physical attributes of Russell Taylor 1000 watt 5 liter stand mixer kitchen blender, the capacity is 5 liter. It comes with 5 liter stainless steel bowl and is capable of mixing up to 1 kilogram of flour. The stand mixer also stylish with zinc black design. Russell Taylor produce all the products with zinc black design as their main color of brand. Not only that, the Russell Taylor offers up to 6 speeds. The slower speed is essential for adding dry ingredients without creating a dust storm or splattering. Furthermore, the power. The stand mixer comes out with 1000 watt. If you invest in a more powerful mixer like Russelteller 1000 watt 5 liter stand mixer kit kitchen blender, for preparation tasks such as kneading dough or mixing dance ingredient can be done in record time. Moreover, the stability of the products. The stand mixer is built heavy to maintain stability and it comes with steady rubber feet so it will stay firmly on the kitchen top. Next, the strength of the Russelteller 1000 watt 5 liter stand mixer kit kitchen blender comes with a powerful 1000 watt motor that helps you can afford listening weeks, mix and knead, butter or dough with a planetary mixing motion. Besides, the stand mixer comes with 3 attachments that allow you to do a variety of cooking techniques at a great ease and convenience. Lastly, the stand mixer also dishwasher safe and easy to clean. That's all from my part. Now, I would like to pass to my partner, ALIYA NAZIRA, to continue our presentation about the product.
Thank you, Faiz. So now, I will continue the presentation with the weaknesses of Russeltellers. The price of this stand mixer is quite expensive to a consumer. It is about 539 ringgit. There are certain people who cannot afford the product. Next, the stand mixer will come up with the same color for every design, which is a slate black. The company didn't come up with other color for their product. Not only that, the design is also simple and not attractive. The design is still the same with others previous stand mixer by Russeltellers. The solution to weakness that Russelteller can do is mark down the price so it will be quite reasonable to purchase by the consumer. Other than that, the company should come up with a new variety of color for their product. It will attract a lot of customer and attention from people. Next, produce with a new and modern design like something look fancier and unique. The company should think a new plan or idea to improvise their products to gain a lot of buyers. Moreover, the price of Russelteller is 539 ringgit. By the way, the price for the product might be different during the promotion offered by the online seller. Next, the warranty period for this product is just 1 year only. Hence, the warranty type is under local manufacturing warranty. Furthermore, if you are looking for stand mixer by Russelteller, you guys can direct go to their website www.russeltellers.com or you can get it from Shopee and Lazada. You also can ask the seller personally to know more details about the product. My fellow friends, well today we already explained about Russeltellers, the benefit, function, physical attributes of the stand mixer, the strength, the weaknesses, solution to weaknesses of the product, price and discount, warranty period and also the product outlet. In a nutshell, this Russelteller has a lot of function. We both can say that the stand mixer is the ultimate kitchen appliance for baking lovers. Once you often crave for a good cake, now it is made easy with Russelteller Power Stand Mixer SM1000. Thank you. Once again, thank you so much to all of you for being such a wonderful audience. It's such a great honor and pleasure for both of us to be here today. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye!